YouTube lovies, I'm back at it again with you guys with another video. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's gonna be something new, so stay tuned. Okay, so I have done like 3 or 4 takes of my intro right now, and on the third one I get a call from an unknown number, and I was like, okay, what the heck? I'm really trying to just get this video in. And so it's the freaking hair company that I'm doing the review for right now, or the unboxing, not the review. I'll come with a review later on. And she was like really nice, asking me if I got my package and how I liked it and how the quality is and if I could leave a review and stuff for that and everything. And I was like, yes, thank you. I did get the package, and like I will. I'm actually recording an unboxing right now, so I haven't even opened it yet. And she was like, oh, okay, well, yeah, just leave us a nice comment if you can and everything, if you like it and everything. And I was like, okay, yes, I will, definitely, thank you. But I was like, okay, perfect timing to do this review. And I guess AliCrown is about to be straight popping because they're really about their money. They said, we're going to double check and see if you got your package and if you like it. And promote us. I was like, okay, girl, I got you, boo. Okay, let's get into the video. Alright, so this is the package. This is how it came. It's just like a regular FedEx bag thing. And it's in a box. So let me just go ahead and open it. Okay. Ooh, this is so cute. AliCrown. This is super cute. They got a little promotional thing on the back of it. Like, this is so cute. Okay, I'm really enjoying them so far. AliCrown, you're getting a really good job right now. So let's go ahead and open the box. Okay, so here is the wig. It looks pretty cool in the back. I'll get to that in a second. And it got some lashes. That's what the lashes look like. They're kind of interesting, kind of flairful. And in the box, there's a wig cap. It's 2 pieces and it's black. And so this is human hair, and it's 18 inches, straight, black, or neutral color. And that's what it looks like. It's in a net. I've never gotten a wig before. I've gotten like weaves, but so I'm pretty interested in what this is gonna be. My thing. Oh shit! Talking mushrooms. And it's a 360 frontal wig, 16 inches again. It's really nice. I think it's really pretty. There's no smell. It's not like a strong smell or anything, but there's like a little, like when I come down here, it smells kind of like a little bit of product of some sort. Just like the lightest hint of it. Shoot, it might actually be my hands from my hair earlier. But so it looks really nice. Inside there's the lace right here that you gotta cut, and it's pre-plucked. It looks really good. And then inside there's little combs. There's 4 little combs around right here and here. I'm really enjoying this. I feel like this is gonna get slayed to the gods. To be honest, like, this is so cute. Like, I'm hecka liking this. I can't wait to like wear it and color it. I mean, not color it, but like customize it. It looks so cute. Luscious locks, I might say. It looks really cute. I'm digging it. Let me see if I can put it on a little, even with all the stuff I got on my head already. Nope, too much hair. Oops, gotta get like, shoot, I'm already messing up the baby hairs. This is really nice though. In the bag, so it doesn't get messed up or anything, because I'll be very pissed off. This was $150 on AliExpress. AliCrown. Good job, Ali. Appreciated. This is very, very nice. So let's go ahead and just close it on up. And I'm gonna like wash it and probably try to bleach the knots a little bit. And thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.